In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. All you need to do is open Clock app and tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to create a new one. Now you need to customize it however you want to. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then click on Repeat and tap on Days of the week that you wish to set up. Following that, select OK and then tap on Sound. Over here you can tap on Vibration at the top, select one of those patterns, disable haptic feedback completely by hitting None, or synchronize it with ringtone by tapping on Synchronized. Wherever you decided, go back, tap on Music on device, and if you want to set up any song from your smartphone as your incoming alarm one, just tap on it and go back. If you don't, you can always pick one of those sounds by tapping on the best one and going back. Now select Label and name your alarm however you want to. To save it, hit OK. Then click on Ring Duration and decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't respond to it. Last but not least, click on Snooze Duration and adjust how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, tap on OK, and then to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully added. If you want to switch it off completely, use this switcher next to it. Then click on one of those options. To turn it back on, use the same No Gray switcher. To make some changes for your alarm, click on it, manage it, and tap on the same check mark. To get rid of it, click on it again, and this time choose Delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!